So you can't get a credit card or loan because you don't have credit history. And you can't build credit history without having a credit card or a loan. Hi, I'm Dave Weliver from Money Under 30, and we're here today to talk about one of the biggest catch-22s of the financial world. When you're starting out, whether you're 18, 20, or 25, and you know that someday you want to buy a house and might need a mortgage, or buy a car and might need a car loan, you're going to need a credit history. So where do you start if you've never had credit before? Let's talk about a few of the ways that you can build credit from scratch. The first way is if you have a parent or another loved one who is responsible financially and willing to help you, they can make you an authorized user on their credit card account. That simply means they add your name and social security number to their account, and whether you use a card on their account or not, if they continue to pay their bills on time every month, you'll build credit along with them. Next up is what's called a starter credit card, and this could be a student credit card if you're a full-time college student. Oftentimes banks will have relaxed underwriting requirements and let you get a student card with a low credit limit and probably a very high interest rate just for being a college student. So that's certainly one avenue to consider. If you're not a student or have been turned down for a student credit card, you're not out of luck yet. There's what's known as a secured credit card. And secured credit cards work just like regular credit cards with one important difference. You need to make a security deposit up front, usually of a couple $100s, and this goes into a savings account and basically secures the bank against the charges you make. You then use it as a regular credit card, put your Netflix on it, buy a tank of gas or a pizza every month and pay the balance in full, and those payments will be reported to the credit bureaus. Next up are what is known as credit builder loans. So these are kind of funny little low dollar amount loans that typically will charge a fee of, let's say 10% interest or $70 for a year or something. And the point of this is basically you never really get the money. You can't go out and use this loan to purchase something. Let's say it's $1,000. You can't go out and buy a new laptop or something. But basically that money sits in a bank account and you really just pay money back, although from your checking account, to the lender until the loan is paid off. Then you get the original $1,000 back. The money never really changes hands, although it does, and in the meantime you develop a year's worth of responsible payments on your credit history. Next up, obviously, we have student loans if you're heading off to college, and those can help you start building credit histories, and many federally provided loans don't require credit checks to students enrolling in college, so that's an easy one. So building credit can be tricky, but like many things, Money Under 30 is here to help, and we hope you will come back again and again to get help with these and other financial decisions that you make when you're starting out. Check out the site moneyunder30.com for more resources, and we'll see you next time.
Read the description for more information about how to build credit from scratch.